Why should I learn Arabic? Learning Arabic can be a valuable and rewarding endeavor for several reasons. 1. Cultural enrichment. Learning Arabic provides insight into the rich cultural heritage of the Arab world, including literature, art, music, and traditions. It allows for a deeper appreciation of cultural nuances. 2. Religious understanding. Arabic is the language of the Quran, and learning it enables a more profound understanding of Islamic teachings. It can enhance religious literacy and foster interfaith dialogue. 3. Communication in the Arab world. Arabic is spoken by millions of people across the Arab world. If you plan to travel, work, or engage with individuals from Arabic-speaking regions, learning the language can greatly enhance communication and cultural exchange. 4. Career opportunities. Proficiency in Arabic can open doors to various career opportunities, especially in fields such as diplomacy, international relations, journalism, translation, and business that involve interactions with Arabic-speaking countries. 5. Intellectual challenge. Arabic features a unique script and grammar, making it a linguistically challenging language to learn. If you enjoy intellectual challenges, mastering Arabic can be a fulfilling and enriching experience. 6. Global perspective. Learning Arabic contributes to a broader global perspective. It allows you to understand and engage with issues and events in the Arab world more directly, fostering a well-rounded worldview. 7. Research and academic pursuits. For those interested in Middle Eastern studies, political science, anthropology, or religious studies, knowledge of Arabic is crucial. It enables access to original texts and enhances research capabilities. 8. Media access. Arabic is used in various media outlets, including news, literature, and online content. Proficiency in Arabic grants direct access to diverse sources of information, offering a more comprehensive understanding of current events. 9. Personal growth. Learning a new language is a journey of personal growth. It challenges the mind, improves cognitive abilities, and enhances problem-solving skills, contributing to overall mental agility. 10. Promoting understanding and tolerance. In a world that thrives on diversity, learning Arabic can contribute to promoting understanding, tolerance, and unity among people of different cultures and backgrounds. Whether driven by cultural curiosity, career aspiration, or a desire for personal growth, learning Arabic can bring numerous benefits that extend beyond language proficiency. It opens doors to new experiences and perspectives, enriching both your personal and professional life.